So let's see. Good morning. Elasticity of demand. So elasticity is basically change in demand. For example, when you take an rubber band, according to when we stitch, some rubber band stitch, so we have to give less effort, but it is more stretchable. But some rubber band is like that way, you give more effort but that is less stretchable, that is inelastic. When the rubber band, when you give less effort and its stretchable is more, then it is elasticity. So according to demand, how it's an elasticity of demand. So let's see. According to Professor Marshall, elasticity of demand is great or small according to the amount demanded, which rise much or little for given fall in price. Sorry, and quantity demanded falls much or little for given price rise in price. So I will show you through an diagram. So here is the diagram. So for example, I'm going to take the product Maggie. So the price was 10 rupees. Okay, and the quantity demanded was this much and the price was 10. Now the price has changed, decreased to 9 rupees. So when the price is decreased, the quantity demanded for the product has been increased so much drastically. You can see there is an drastic change. Only 1% decrease in the price, it has been the demand for the product has been increased more. That is what Professor Marshall is explaining. Elasticity of demand is when the price change, when there is little change in the price but demand for the product change drastically. Now it is elasticity. This is called elasticity. Okay. When we talk about inelastic, in inelastic means it will be opposite to it. Inelastic. So I will show you one diagram. So this is the diagram. So now let's take the same example, but the commodity may be different. For example, petrol or bread. So when the price of the bread is 10 rupees, the quantity was this much demand for the product. Now it has been changed to 9, 1 rupees only change. Then the demand for the product is this much only. There is no much change when the price is decreased. The demand will be the same. There will be no drastic change in the demand. For example, if the price of the bread decreases also, now the demand will not going to increase for that product. Same for the petrol also. The demand, if the price decrease or going to increase, the demand for the product will not change as much we accept. But when it comes to other commodities like Maggi, Ippy, coffee powder, tea powder, or Pepsi, cold drinks, anything like that item, if there is small change in price, the demand for that commodity change drastically. That is elasticity. Inelastic means there will be no change. There will be no much change in the demand for the product. So when it is greater than 1, inelastic is, when we can say that it is elastic or inelastic when we divide. There is an formula for this. I will show you the formula once again. So when the So change in quantity demanded upon change in price. This is the formula for elasticity of demand, change in price. So if it is less than 1, then it is inelastic. Okay, if you get the answer greater than 1, then it is elasticity. Less than 1 inelasticity, greater than 1 elasticity. When you use this formula, change in quantity upon change in price. So here it is written also, it is the ratio of percentage change in quantity demanded. It is the ratio of percentage change in quantity demanded of commodity to percentage change in price unchanged. So change in quantity demanded upon change in price. So if it is less than 1, it is inelasticity. If it is greater than 1, it's elasticity. So I hope you understand. Thank you.